Hello dear friends! In this video I will prepare a dessert called Cherry Hill. It is very easy to make and anyone can easily handle its preparation. The list of ingredients, as always, is indicated below under the video. Pitted cherries need to be covered with sugar, add lemon juice and simmer for about 2 minutes. Drain in a colander so that the excess juice runs off and leave until completely cooled. We take frozen phyllo dough out of the freezer, mine is store-bought, and leave it until fully thawed. I grease the countertop with odorless vegetable oil. On top I place 1 sheet of phyllo dough and also grease it with vegetable oil. I cover with a second sheet and grease again. For each tube I use 2 sheets of dough. I place the cherries very tightly next to each other on the dough in 1 row. Carefully roll it into a tube, seal the edges well, and place it on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. In this way we prepare 6 tubes. I send the tubes to a preheated oven. I will indicate the temperature and baking time below under the video. After about 10 minutes of baking, I cover the tubes with parchment paper so they do not brown too much. We take the finished tubes out of the oven and leave them on the table until completely cooled. After the tubes have completely cooled, we proceed to prepare the cream. Beat the cold cream with a mixer. Add condensed milk and powdered sugar. The cream is ready. I grease the cake base with cream. This is necessary so that the tubes do not move apart. First I place 2 tubes, grease them with cream, then place the third one and also cover it with cream. You need to spread it as shown in the video, forming a hill. Similarly, we form the second hill. On top I sprinkled toasted almond flakes, but you can sprinkle the dessert with cocoa powder or grated chocolate. I cover the finished dessert with plastic wrap and send it to the refrigerator for stabilization and soaking. The dessert stayed in the refrigerator all night. For slicing, you will need a very sharp knife. Slice carefully so as not to damage the shape of the hill. The better the dessert soaks, the softer the tubes will become. This dessert can be prepared with both fresh and frozen cherries. I hope my video was useful for you. See you again, friends.